Creating multiple instances of a class. First, go to brackets. We have our person class here, so it's very easy to make multiple instances of a class. Such as j equal person, make a constructor, quotation marks John, comma, 46, comma, put any ID number you like. You also be able to do another object class. You actually can do as many as instances you like. Such as m equal person, make a constructor, quotation marks Melissa, comma, quotation marks 55, comma, any ID number you like. Okay, then use j the output and m the output to print them on terminal. Pretty nice, multiple objects work well. As you can see, all of these lectures are just examples for you, so you need to do that by your computer. Thank you very much.